Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl Christy. So today I want to learn how I made this delicious minced fish stew to be paired with rice or yam or spaghetti, whichever you desire. But because rice goes with just any sauce and it comes out so nice, that's why I'll be pairing this with rice today. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. If this is your first time here, please do what, click on the subscribe button and drop me a comment down below. I'd love to engage with you. For this recipe, we're needing some long sweet peppers, red bell peppers, tomatoes, purple onion, white onion, scotch bonnet pepper, nutmeg, curry powder, thyme powder, vegetable oil, and then fish, the main ingredients for this stew. So I used two varieties of fish, that's the mackerel fish and then this tilapia. Okay, you just see how I made that combination now. So first, you get your mackerel fish and you season it and bring to a boil. So to season this, I use some Knorr seasoning cubes, some salt, some curry powder, some thyme, and then added just a little water to enable it to boil, and so the seasoning will incorporate into the fish. So when you're done seasoning that, you cover and then bring to a boil. So for your tilapia, you season with seasoning cubes, salt, thyme, and curry, just like I did to the other one. Then add some bits of water because it's really going to be dry. I want to be able to mix that very well. Add your spices, put some bits of water, give that a nice mix, and then set aside for about 30 minutes to marinate so your fish gets all the seasoning and flavors and becomes very tasty when you are done with it. If you've watched to this point, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do so. Get your peppers ready for the blender, the long bell peppers, the round bell pepper, and one onion, and give that a rough blend. You don't want that too smooth. Now your fish is ready after 10 minutes. You set that aside, get a clean pot, put on the fire, add your vegetable oil, get that to hot, add some salt to taste, add in your diced onion and saute that for about 2 minutes. Then this is your mackerel fish you set aside the other time. You mince it with your hands and then add to the onion, give that some nice stir for like 2 minutes, and then add in your tomatoes and onion diced. You didn't blend this, remember. Then add in the blended peppers. So give that some nice stir and allow to cook for some time. Then now you go back to your tilapia fish that have been marinating for some moments and you begin to fry. You're going to fry that separately. Then come back to your tomato mix and fish on the fire and keep checking at interval. After 10 minutes of frying, you add in your spices. I use nutmeg for this, thyme powder and curry powder. You want to give that a very nice stir and make sure they are well incorporated into your sauce. And then go back to check your tilapia fish. When it's just golden brown like this, you bring that out and set aside. Then you go back to your sauce and it's frying this about 10 minutes. You add in your fish stock, and then you don't want that to be too much so it doesn't get too watery. You give that a nice stir and then you cover and allow to cook. Okay, you know your fish stock has the seasoning and the salt for this. Allow that to cook and come back after some while, about 5 minutes later, to check how well it's doing. So this is 5 minutes later and this is what we'll have. Like, your fish stew sauce is ready to be paired with any pair of your choice, but for this I paired with rice and it was really very delicious. I would like you to give this a trial and come drop me a comment on how it all went. So this was how I served my meal. My rice was ready. I paired with the sauce and with that fried fish. God, that tilapia was so crunchy and delicious. I would love you to give this a try. Let me know if you'll be doing so in the comment section. Thank you for watching this lovely video. See you when next we see. Bye.